Yes, look at the question number 3. If a figure has two or more lines of symmetry, should it have rotational symmetry of order more than 1? Yes. Just to consider an equilateral triangle, how many number of lines of symmetry for that? 3 lines of symmetry. What will be the order of rotational symmetry? 4. Am I right? It has 2 or more line of symmetry. Now, consider a rectangle. It has 2 lines of symmetry. What will be the order of rotational symmetry? 2. So it has more than 1. Then consider a rhombus. It has 2 lines of symmetry. It has 2 lines of symmetry. When we are folding along the diagonal, it has 2 lines of symmetry. Then the order of rotational symmetry is also 2. So if a figure has 2 or more lines of symmetry, then it will have rotational symmetry of order more than 1. Yes. Now come to the question number 4 now. Fill in the blanks. That shape will be given. You have to write down the center of rotation, order of rotation and angle of rotation. Now first one, square. How many lines of symmetry? Yes, 4 lines of symmetry. That is x-axis, along x-axis, along y-axis and along the diagonal. That center of rotation is where the 2 diagonals intersecting point. Where the 2 diagonals intersect, that point is called as what? Center of rotation. Then what will be the order of rotation? 4. The order of the rotation symmetry is what? 4. So when we are rotating by 90 degree, then the figure looks like exactly same. Am I right here? Yes. Now rectangle. Number of lines of symmetry will be 2, and then center of rotation is that intersecting point of diagonal. Intersecting point of diagonal. Order of rotation 2. Order of the rotation symmetry is what? 2. And then angle of rotation is 180 degree. Angle of rotation is what? 180 degree. Then come to the third one, rhombus. Come to the third one, rhombus. Center of rotation. Center of rotation is what? How many lines of symmetry for a rhombus? It has 2 lines of symmetry. It has 2 lines of symmetry. Therefore, that center of rotation is intersecting point of diagonals. Intersecting point of diagonals. That center of rotation will be intersecting point of diagonal. Then the order of rotational symmetry is 2. Angle of rotation is 180 degree. Angle of rotation is how much, dear? 180 degree. Then equilateral triangle. It has 3 lines of symmetry. Then intersecting point of median. That means centroid of the triangle. That means what? Centroid of the triangle. That order of rotation is 3, and then angle of rotation is 120 degree. That means 360 by 3, which is equal to 120 degree. Regular hexagon. How many number of lines of symmetry for a regular hexagon? It has 6 lines of symmetry. Okay. The number of lines of symmetry for any regular polygon is as many number of sides. As many number of sides of a polygon. Okay. So the polygon has 6 lines. Regular hexagon has 6 lines of symmetry. Therefore, that order of rotation will be 6. That angle of rotation is 360 by 6, which is equal to 60 degree. 360 by 6, which is equal to 60 degree. Now consider circle. Circle has infinite number of line of symmetry. That center of rotation point, that means center. So when we are rotating about its center, then by any angle, it looks like the same. Therefore, that order of rotation is infinite, and then angle of rotation is every angle. You can consider 1 degree or 1.5 degree or 1.56, 2 degree, 5 degree, 10 degree, 15 degree. You can take anything. Then the angle of rotation is what? Every angle. Angle of rotation is what? Every angle. Semicircle. That semicircle is what? Midpoint of diameter. Midpoint of diameter. Then that order of rotation is 1, and then angle of rotation is how much? 360 degree. Angle of rotation is how much? 360 degree. Am I right here? Yes. So we completed the third question and fourth question. In the next video, we will discuss question number 5 and 6. Thank you everybody. Thank you.